let us have the speaking test for Phonics 1, Unit 2. Let's have the alphabet. Letter,
A,
sounds,
A,
letter,
B,
sounds,
B,
letter, sounds.
G,
Okay, letter,
B,
sounds,
A,
D,
D,
letter, E,
E,
sounds,
A,
letter,
A,
F,
F,
sounds, F.
F,
Okay, good job. Let's have numbers. Number,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
very good. Let's have colors. What color is it?
red,
What color is it?
green.
Very good. Let's have feelings. How are you?
I'm happy.
How are you?
I'm sad.
Very good. Let's have unit 2. Letter, D.
D.
Sounds, D.
D,
What is it?
dog,
D.
D,
Desk.
yes,
What is it?
dog,
What is it?
dog.
Yes. Letter,
E,
sounds.
A,
What is it? What is it?
A,
L,
elbow,
N.
envelope, elephant,
Good job. Letter, F.
F,
Sounds, F.
F,
What is it?
feet, farm,
Farm.
farm,
What is it? What is it?
farm.
Okay. Good job, Lena. That's all for today. Thank you and goodbye.
Bye.